Okay, so if you look over there, I've hauled a bunch of rocks and threw them over to the side, and I have more of a clear runway where it comes down through there. So it's coming down through there much better. Over here, it is still running. Oh, pull it out. Okay, over here it's still running some, but again, like I say, I think some of that's coming from the hill. It is coming through there a bit, but most of it's coming from there. And I'm not worried about some of it coming from the hill. So it is what it is, no big deal. It's running real well. It's still coming from here, even though I guess maybe I can open it up a little better right there. Maybe it won't seep down through there. But anyhow, that's enough for right now. I guess now that I'm looking at it, I could probably move that rock right there and just have that coming down through here instead of going this way. Going this way is not a big deal. But if I had that draining into the center, that would work better. But I've also taken some rocks out of here. My wife gave me a hand, and we loaded up the cart again and hauled some more down the hill. I don't know. This 3-foot pry bar was only $15 at Princess Auto, and I've used that quite a bit today to unlodge big rocks and pull them out of the stream here. They were lodged pretty good. I couldn't budge them, so I just shoved that pry bar in there and dislodged them. Like a lot of the rocks up there that you can see that are all up there, I was using the pry bar up there. I was using the pry bar here, all through there. So, for $15, well worth the 15 bucks. So, don't want to make it too long. This is working out good. I all the tools all kicking around here. So yeah, we moved some rocks down. Just kind of taking a little break because we carried the big rocks across. You can see over there by the cement mixer, we carried a bunch of big rocks over there. So that's for building the wall. I threw a bunch of these rocks over here. That was yesterday, I think. So that is this part of the day. So I'm going to just take a little break here, have something to drink and stuff. It's a good day. It's cloudy, it's not raining, it's not supposed to rain. Unfortunately, it's supposed to rain tomorrow. But it seems like it's every second day. It actually rained last night. But I guess I can't complain about the rain because there's so many forest fires all over the world. I can't complain about rain. It's just ridiculous to complain about it. So we are good and wet here, and I'll continue building this after a little break. I'll start the cement mixer and start loading it, and it'll be time to start building again. Start building the back of the wall and fill-ins, and that part should go a lot faster. The back wall doesn't have to be aesthetically good. Well, it has to be structurally good, but doesn't have to look very good. As good. So that's it. This video is long enough. Cheers.